Let me guess, do you want to make money over and over again and with $0 of investment? Believe me, you can make $21 in a minute with this simple trick. If you want that, guys, this video is exactly for you. You can do that over and over. You can do that from anywhere in the world. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to 10x your results fast. But first,
Jarvis, drop my needle.
have you subscribed yet? If you don't, please guys subscribe, hit the bell notification, like this video and comment below so that you don't miss again another beautiful amazing video. So why this method? First of all, it's free to start and it works worldwide. Doesn't matter where you are right now. It's easy, it's copy and paste, no expertise needed. You can increase your earnings by using Google as well. So stay tuned until the end of this video, and remember, this method can generate passive income over and over again, guys. So it's very easy. So the website that we will going to use is this amazing beautiful website called l.ly. If you don't know how to spell it, you can use the link below and you can sign up right now. So let me show you first of all the payout rate. Actually, this website, you're gonna shorten links. Doesn't matter if you use your link or not. If it's some kind of videos on YouTube, if it's from blog or so, you're gonna shorten this link by using this website. And when you have 1,000 views, they're gonna pay you $21. Sorry, if the viewers are coming from Greenland. And as you see, we have many rates right here. Canada is for $4, almost $5, and so on. Qatar, Norway, Finland, Jordan, Luxembourg, and so on. So now you are asking yourself, well, how I'm gonna get these 1,000 views? Guys, I'm gonna show you exactly how you have to do that, how or where you're gonna get these 1,000 views. Remember, you have to sign up to get your account. This is a new account that I opened right now to show you this. So remember, first of all, imagine that you get a link from YouTube. If you have a video with more than 5 million views and the speed of the viewers is very high, and it's a video that you also like, you can copy the video, come here, pass the video, shorten the link, and when you shorten the link, they're gonna give you this other link. You copy this link, and what you have to do with this link, you can go to Google. Let me say go to Google, and imagine that you copy a link that helps people to lose weight or helps people learn how to date. Let me say how to, imagine that this link is how to make money with affiliate marketing. So when you see all these results in Google, what you have to do is go to settings, right? Search settings. So search setting, you have to change it, the countries. Instead of being worldwide, you have to select the country with more payout rates. So the country with more payout rates, as we saw, is Greenland. So you come here, you select Greenland or other country that you feel more comfortable to use. Save. As you see, all these people, all this search, all these results are coming from Greenland. Now this is blogs, right? You can select, you can go to these blogs and see. You can comment on these blogs using your link, but first of all, give some tips, some advice, and so on. This is one of the easiest technique to use, or easiest way to get 1,000 views. Remember, this is Google. A lot of people are searching here. Okay, so you can click on this link. Doesn't matter what you are trying to sell. So this is the first way to do that. All right, this is the first way. The second way to get more traffic, you can use the same link. Go to Quora and select, for instance, let's say that we are using the same thing, right? Affiliate marketing, how to make money with that, right? Let me say that I have a video from YouTube, teach people how to make money with affiliate marketing. Oh, I said how to affiliate. Okay, how can I start affiliate marketing? Right, I click here. I give a little bit of value and tips and so on, and then I put my links. Remember, you're gonna have all day long people clicking or using your link, right? As you see, there are many questions here, many questions. And imagine now I can see you thinking, my God, I don't like to write. Okay, guys, wait a minute. Also, you can go to Pinterest. Remember, Pinterest is easy. You don't have to write a lot of things. You can go to Canva, create a template of that and write a little bit. Or if you don't want to write, that's okay. Just create a template, creating in Canva a document or creating in Canva pictures, and put here in Pinterest, right? We're gonna have a lot of people also comes to see your post. You can use the hashtag from the country, Greenland, and so on. Okay, it's very easy. So this is another way. Now, one of the easiest way, as I told you in the beginning, is by using Instagram, guys. With Instagram, you will this one will require that you have a little bit of money, right? What you want to do with Instagram? With Instagram, guys, you have to first of all select the content related to the page that you want to promote. Now, I know that you are trying to say, oh no, my God, Instagram is difficult. No, guys, with this technique, you have to invest a little bit. For instance, you go to pages with more than 4 million followers, and it's very easy when you go to meme page. Meme page, they have a tons of followers, and it's cheap. You say, okay, I wanted to promote this product. They're gonna say to you something like, it costs $100, 24 hours. Say, I don't want 24 hours. I just want story, right? I want to post on your story, or I want to post it to show you on story. I don't want to post on your feed. And they're gonna say, okay, you just pay $20 or $25 and give them the post. Remember, with 5 million followers, believe me that on their stories they have more than 1 million viewers. Now you give them your post and they post your post, and millions of people selecting your post, guys. That's a lot of money. Remember, just let me remind you that it's $21 from Greenland and many other countries right here. You see, it's adding on more and more, and you make more money, guys. And one more technique that you can use with this website. Okay, guys, so one more thing that you can use. You have many challenges. When you sign up right now with using the link below, or you're going to l.li, you can give this link to many people to install the app. When they install the app, you're gonna earn $10. Okay, $10 per 1,000 installs. That's amazing. You see, that's amazing. And you have the second challenge, that you go to the Play stores, you give a review to this app, 5-star review, and then send a screenshot. You're gonna earn already 5 cents. Okay, that is here, 5 cents, and it's very easy. So guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and peace.